Ladies and gentlemen, it's Jeff here. That's right. Jeff, the 30-minute trader. Well, there's been some updates. There's been some developments. This week, we've just had an immense, absolutely immense 5-day trading camp, ladies and gentlemen, with a very special guest trader who's been trading with us, and more about him later. We've been a double trouble, shall we say. It's been absolutely incredible, adventurous. Where the lead Dalton, then followed up with me, and then we do my session. Absolutely incredible, the learnings everybody's having. However, the learning, the education goes on, and it doesn't stop. The understandings, the transformation, the deeper connections to your charts and yourself. Once you learn that, ladies and gentlemen, it all becomes crystal clear. Now, people have been asking me, Jeff, what's this liquid gold? You've been talking about this liquid gold. Is it trading gold or something, or what can I trade? Well, here's the truth, ladies and gentlemen. You can trade NAS, you can trade S&P, you can trade the indices, you can trade futures, you can trade gold, silver. But I'm going to show you futures tonight. I'm going to show you futures with S&P 500. Just because some people out there don't really understand it. So what I've done is I've set up my charts. I've developed a liquid gold indicator that basically spits out money. That's 11 in a row now, ladies and gentlemen. It just generates money. Now, I'm going to record something very special next week. Some people got a little idea of what I'm going to show, but when you see this, yeah, it just I'll say nothing. Let's wait. I'm going to show you my charts in TradingView right now, ladies and gentlemen. Notice the word. I'm going to show you my charts on TradingView, and my software, a plugin I put inside it. Here we go. So here we go. Here's the S&P 500 E-mini futures, ladies and gentlemen. You see, I've got not much on the charts because I've got it forward in time. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back in time. I'm going to go back in time here to what's just happened. I'm in Bali, but I'm going to go to 9:30. 9:30, apologize, 09:30, Eastern Standard Time. My charts, ladies and gentlemen, are set to Eastern Standard Time. And do this, right? These mean something. You see here, this looks like a normal sessions indicator, ladies and gentlemen. This looks like a normal sessions indicator, but it's much, much greater than that, ladies and gentlemen. I've got two lines there, but one at, that's one at 10, and that one must be, yeah, there we go. Let me just check. I'm going to do this again. The 7th, 9:30, 1 minute time frame. I might just tell you what, I'll even do it better than that. I'm actually going to draw a line just to make it crystal clear. Yep, that was a previous one, which I put. So what I'm now I've shown you that line. Yes, you can see that, but I'm going to play bar replay. Here we go. See different sessions. You see all that. Just a normal session. It looks like, in theory, just so there's see the difference here with Thursday and then Friday. So what I've done is, ladies and gentlemen, I'm only looking at regular trading hours. That's the key. So this here is showing the day before. And what this here represents, ladies and gentlemen, is the opening range gap. So I've got that there. And I've got this marks 10 a.m. Yep. And then as a result of that, we actually start new candles down here. That's the first candle of the day at 9:30 Eastern Standard Time. Now, these lines come with the indicator, ladies and gentlemen, and they're the key. I've got three colors. Three colors. If you can notice the colors, you can trade. This here is exciting. Now, what this is, you can tell here, ladies and gentlemen, this here is the they close, and this here is the open. Then if some people want to just say, well, I'm gonna wait for it to trade up to there, and that they could trade up to there. But I'm not going to do that, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to be a bit more tactical about this. So here's a 10 a.m. Here is 9:30. I've got an orange, a yellow, an orange, a yellow. And I've got another one down below as well, but forget that for just now. So here we go. One candle at a time. Yep, we got. So went from a yellow to a yellow. If you can match colours, you can trade, ladies and gentlemen. See that again? I went from a yellow to a yellow. Oh, I'll put that back. I do apologise. I moved that by mistake. Okay, what happens? It comes down. It comes to an orange. You might say, yes, after the fact. Yeah. Well, ladies and gentlemen, you just have to trust me. It's inbuilt. It tells me there before. Here we go. Yep. And people have been saying to me, Jeff, what's this turnaround thing you keep going on about at a certain time of day? Well, it doesn't only happen then, ladies and gentlemen. Now, those people that know about this particular candle here, they know something happens when they see this type of candle. They go bang, and now something happens. We have a target. Target 1. Is it going to go there? Oh, now look, we've got another here. Watch, see what happens now, ladies and gentlemen. Here we go. Achieves target 1. Target 2. Why? Because the day before it tells us it's like going back to the future, ladies and gentlemen. Years ago, I used to teach a back to the future strategy. Yep, and I've got a variation of it, ladies and gentlemen. Very different, but it's all based on colours. So no volumes, no nothing, candles, and a couple of colours. Don't need a volume profile indicator. None of that. And guess what happens? Is it going to reach? 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 Bang! Right there. So what does it do? Yellow to yellow, orange to orange. We get this 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time candle. It's just went orange, ladies and gentlemen. So orange, color to color. So what would that mean? What I'm trying to say to you, ladies and gentlemen, for those people that know, those people are privileged to be part of the 30-minute trader system. And whatever's going to be moving forward, ladies and gentlemen, a lot more. My liquid gold, look at that. We have a gap here, ladies and gentlemen. We have a gap here. But guess what? Take profit 1. It just smashed take profit 1. Now, let's look at this. Let's get a short from here to here. It breaks up there. Do that. Yeah. Take profit 1. Let's see, we'll only go to take profit once. This here goes above there somewhere. Or you might even want to do it, okay, I'm going to get in that candle there. Fair enough. That candle there. That above the high, without doing anything else is 1.82%. Now, let's look at another one, ladies and gentlemen. Went from there to there. It's a bit scary going from there to there. It turns around, but we'll come back to that in a minute. It comes down. Yeah, it breaks below there. See that breaks below there? So there's the entry there. Or you even want to wait till it breaks above the line. That there goes below the low. And the first target there, ladies and gentlemen, it's now 1.42%. Or there, second color to color, ladies and gentlemen. But if you just go to TP1, it's super, super simple. But let's go. We went up here at 50%. Those people that know about the 50%, ladies and gentlemen. Now, those people that know, do you know I'm looking for orange to orange. Now, it depends on your trading plan, ladies and gentlemen. Trade your plan. My plan is 0.5%. Lock it in and let it run. That's just plain and simple. But if we let it run, orange to orange. So from next week, I'm going to change my style. I'm going to try and do something a bit different. I'm going to see how it plays out next week. Because so far, that's 11 out of 11 now, ladies and gentlemen, since I've mentioned this. My liquid gold, not even trading gold, ladies and gentlemen. The reason why I call it liquid gold is it's basically printing money. So if you are someone who believes it's time, look, I went below there, the orange, TP1. As soon as it goes there, bang, right there. Ladies and gentlemen, you cannot make this stuff up. Yeah. Is it going to, what's going to do next? What's it going to do? Is it going to go to TP2? Is it going to make it? Is it going to make it? Oh, but guess what? It was pretty close, ladies and gentlemen. I'd be really happy, wouldn't you? TP2. Simple, easy, very effective. Now, again, let me measure that. Went down there, above there, top stop loss there, TP1 there, TP2. I've shown you there, ladies and gentlemen, what's possible. I've shown you what's real. If you're looking to get into the liquid gold team, now the liquid gold team is a little bit different. It is a little bit different. It's the most simplest strategy you'll ever see. It works off a couple of lines. The indicator I built is very different. It's not part of the 30-minute trader software. It's very different. It's liquid gold. It's purely printing money. I could call it liquid money. You could call it whatever you like, ladies and gentlemen. The reason why I've called it liquid gold, because that's what it does on a consistent daily basis. So if you're someone who's a survivor, if you're someone who stayed in the game, put your hand up in the comment below. Just say, I want to be part of the liquid gold team. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Jeff Goodwin, and I will see you at the top. Bye for now.